What if I told you that 30 days from now, your financial situation could look completely different? Imagine multiplying your income without working harder, without burning out, and without needing to be some kind of genius. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In fact, there's a simple formula, 3 proven steps that can unlock the income and freedom you've been chasing. These aren't secrets only for the rich and famous. They're principles anyone can use. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it happen. Stay with me, because this might just be the most important decision you'll make this year. Let's get real for a moment. If you're struggling to increase your income, it's not because you're not working hard enough. In fact, most people who are stuck financially are some of the hardest workers out there. But here's the problem. Effort alone doesn't guarantee results. The truth is, the way you think about money, success, and even yourself plays a much bigger role than you realize. Think about it. How many times have you told yourself, "I'll never make that much," or "People like me don't get those kinds of opportunities"? These thoughts don't just hold you back. They keep you locked in a cycle of scarcity. You see, your mind is like a filter. If you believe that abundance is out of reach, you'll keep missing the opportunities right in front of you. And then there's the trap of routines. Most people live the same day over and over again, doing the same things, hoping for different results. But the habits that got you where you are today aren't going to take you to the next level. To multiply your income, you have to break out of that cycle and start thinking and acting differently. The good news? You don't need a degree in finance, a lucky break, or even a huge chunk of money to get started. What you need is to reprogram your mind and take intentional, strategic steps that align with where you want to go. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So, if you've been feeling stuck, it's not permanent. It's a sign that it's time for a shift, and that shift starts right now. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial reality. If you believe money is hard to come by, you'll subconsciously push it away. If you think wealth is only for other people, you'll never allow yourself to achieve it. The truth is, everything you believe about money has been programmed into your mind by your upbringing, your environment, even society. And that programming is either working for you or against you. To multiply your income, the first step is to reprogram those beliefs. Start by recognizing the stories you tell yourself about money. Do you say things like, "I'm just not good with money," or "It's impossible to get ahead"? These are limiting beliefs, and they act as barriers, keeping abundance out of your reach. But here's the powerful part. Beliefs can be changed. One simple yet transformative practice is to replace those negative thoughts with empowering ones. Instead of saying, "I'll never afford that," say, "How can I afford that?" This small shift flips your brain into solution mode, opening you up to possibilities instead of shutting them down. Visualization is another game changer. Close your eyes and picture yourself living the life you desire. How does it feel? How do you act? How do you think? When you consistently visualize yourself as someone who attracts abundance, you begin to believe it. And once you believe it, you start acting in ways that make it real. Affirmations are also a powerful tool. Write down statements like, "I attract wealth effortlessly," or "Money flows to me in unexpected ways," and repeat them daily. This might sound simple, even silly at first, but affirmations train your subconscious to focus on abundance instead of lack. Lastly, surround yourself with positivity. If you're constantly hearing negativity, whether from people around you or your own thoughts, it's going to drag you down. Seek out books, videos, or even mentors who inspire you and show you what's possible. Remember, you become what you surround yourself with. Reprogramming your mindset isn't about pretending everything's perfect or ignoring reality. It's about taking control of the most powerful tool you have, your mind, and using it to create the financial future you deserve. When you shift your beliefs, everything else begins to follow. This is the first and most important step to multiplying your income in 30 days. And once your mindset is in the right place, the rest becomes infinitely easier. Now that your mindset is aligned with abundance, it's time to focus on what actually multiplies your income, identifying high-impact opportunities. The mistake most people make is thinking that working harder will automatically lead to more money. But if you're pouring energy into the wrong things, all you're doing is spinning your wheels. The key is to focus on activities that generate exponential results, not just incremental gains. Start by evaluating where your time and effort are currently going. Are you stuck doing tasks that keep you busy but don't actually move the needle? If so, it's time to shift. High-impact opportunities are those that either increase your income significantly in one step or create consistent streams of income over time. For example, ask yourself this: can you create something once and get paid for it repeatedly? This could be a digital product, an online course, or even a service you can package and scale. The goal is to stop trading your time directly for money and start creating assets that generate income even when you're not actively working on them. Another way to identify opportunities is to look at problems you can solve for others. The bigger the problem, the more value you can provide, and the more people are willing to pay you. What skills, knowledge, or talents do you have that others would benefit from? Maybe it's teaching, coaching, or consulting in an area you're experienced in. Maybe it's creating a product or service that addresses a specific pain point. Don't forget to leverage trends and technology. The world is changing fast, and there are more opportunities than ever to make money online. Whether it's through freelancing, affiliate marketing, or launching an e-commerce business, the internet has created endless ways to scale your income. The key is to align your unique strengths with opportunities that have a high potential for growth. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Finally, surround yourself with people who are already doing what you want to do. If you're looking to double or triple your income, connect with people who have already achieved that. Learn from their experiences and strategies. Success leaves clues, and often, it's just a matter of applying what works. High-impact opportunities aren't about doing everything. They're about focusing on the right things, those that give you the greatest return on your time and energy. When you find these opportunities and commit to them, multiplying your income becomes not only possible but inevitable. This is where the real shift begins. Now it's time to take everything you've learned and turn it into action. This step is where most people fall short, not because they don't have the potential, but because they lack a clear, focused plan. To multiply your income in 30 days, you need a step-by-step action plan that keeps you consistent and on track. The next month of your life needs to be intentional, not random. Start by setting one clear financial goal. Maybe it's to double your income from your side hustle, land 3 new clients, or generate $5,000 in extra revenue. The goal needs to be specific, measurable, and realistic for 30 days. Write it down and make it visible on your phone, your desk, or even your mirror. This keeps it front and center in your mind every single day. Next, break your goal into weekly milestones. What does success look like at the end of week 1? What progress do you need to make by week 2? Think of each week as a stepping stone to your larger goal. For example, if your goal is to make $5,000, your first week might focus on identifying opportunities, the second on taking action to secure them, and the third and fourth on scaling your efforts. By breaking it down, the goal becomes less overwhelming and easier to tackle. Now, here's where the real power comes in: daily actions. Every single day for the next 30 days, commit to doing at least one thing that moves you closer to your goal. It could be reaching out to potential clients, creating content for your business, learning a new skill, or promoting a product or service. The key is to stay consistent, because small, consistent actions compound over time. Another critical part of your 30-day plan is tracking your progress. At the end of each day, take 5 minutes to review what you accomplished. Did you move closer to your goal, or did you get distracted? Be honest with yourself and make adjustments as needed. When you measure your progress daily, it keeps you motivated and accountable. Lastly, don't be afraid to pivot. If something isn't working, don't waste time forcing it. Test, learn, and adapt quickly. Success in 30 days doesn't mean you have to get everything perfect. It means you stay flexible, and keep moving forward no matter what. Your 30-day action plan isn't just about multiplying your income. It's about proving to yourself that you can set a goal, stick to it, and create results. By focusing on small, consistent actions every day, you'll build not only financial momentum but also confidence in your ability to achieve even bigger goals in the future. This is how you transform your potential into tangible results, and it all starts now. Belief and consistency are the backbone of everything we've talked about so far. Without belief, you won't take the necessary steps, and without consistency, you won't stick with them long enough to see results. The truth is, most people fail not because they're incapable, but because they give up too soon or never fully believe it's possible for them. Let's start with belief. What you think about yourself and your potential shapes your actions. If you don't truly believe you can multiply your income, you'll subconsciously sabotage yourself. You'll hesitate, procrastinate, or settle for less because deep down, you've convinced yourself it's not realistic. But here's the thing. Belief is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Even if you don't fully believe in your ability to succeed right now, act as if you do. Show up, take action, and let the results reinforce your confidence. Consistency is what takes that belief and turns it into results. Big changes don't happen overnight. They're the result of small, daily actions repeated over time. It's like planting seeds. You can't expect a tree to grow the day after you plant it, but if you water it every day and give it sunlight, it will grow. The same applies to your income goals. Each small step you take, every call you make, every opportunity you pursue, adds up. The problem is, most people stop watering their seeds too soon. They don't see results immediately, so they assume it's not working. But the truth is, the biggest growth often happens right before you're about to give up. Think of any successful person you admire. They didn't get where they are because they were lucky or special. They got there because they believed in themselves and stayed consistent, even when it was hard, even when they didn't see results right away. You have that same potential. The only question is whether you'll commit to showing up every day, no matter what. So if you feel doubt creeping in or you're tempted to quit, remind yourself why you started. Visualize the life you're working toward. Remind yourself that every step you take, no matter how small, is bringing you closer to the life you deserve. Believe in your ability to create the future you want and stay consistent long enough to make it a reality. That's the formula that works, and it's in your hands right now. Now that you know the steps to multiply your income, the only thing standing between you and the life you want is action. It's easy to keep thinking, planning, or waiting for the perfect moment. But the truth is, the perfect moment is right now. Success doesn't come from sitting on the sidelines. It comes from taking the first step, even if it feels small. So here's your challenge. Commit to these 3 steps today. Reprogram your mindset by identifying one limiting belief about money and replacing it with a powerful affirmation. Then, identify one high-impact opportunity you can focus on and write down a simple action you can take to move forward. Finally, create your 30-day plan and take one step, just one, toward your goal today. Remember, this isn't about doing everything at once. It's about starting. Small actions, taken consistently, lead to massive results. The sooner you take the first step, the sooner you'll start seeing the shifts in your life. So don't wait. The life you want, the income you deserve, and the freedom you're looking for are all within reach. It's time to stop dreaming about it and start making it happen. Take the first step today. You've got this.